Welcome back to your channel name. Today we're taking a delicious global food tour, all right from your very own kitchen. Without breaking the bank, of course, we'll prep 5 days of healthy, budget-friendly meals, all inspired by world flavors. Get ready for vibrant dishes that are easy and affordable, and guaranteed to make your week delicious. We'll travel from the Mediterranean all the way to Latin America, all in just 5 days. I'll show you how a little Sunday prep can set you up for a whole week of stress-free and tasty eating. Let's kick off this amazing culinary adventure. Our culinary journey begins with a taste of the Mediterranean. Picture sun-drenched shores, the gentle sea breeze, and the vibrant flavors that define this region. Monday's menu is all about embracing that Mediterranean freshness, starting with a delightful Greek lentil salad. This isn't just any salad. It's a celebration of simple, wholesome ingredients. This will be perfect for lunch, a light yet satisfying midday meal. And for dinner, we're diving into a comforting and flavorful veggie moussaka bake, a vegetarian twist on a classic dish, a hearty and satisfying way to end the day. This is going to be a delicious dinner. The Greek lentil salad is a breeze to put together, a testament to the ease of Mediterranean cooking. First, cook your lentils until they're tender but still have a bit of bite. Then, chop some refreshing cucumber, adding a cool crunch to the mix, followed by juicy, ripe tomatoes, bursting with summery sweetness. Add some thinly sliced red onion for a bit of zing, and briny Kalamata olives for that authentic Greek flavor. Finally, toss everything together with a zesty lemon herb vinaigrette. The lemon brightens all the flavors, while the herbs add a touch of aromatic complexity. It's fresh, filling, a true taste of the Mediterranean sunshine, and it's perfect for meal prep. Make a big batch on Sunday, and you'll have healthy lunches ready to go all week. For dinner, veggie moussaka bake, a delightful twist on the traditional Greek casserole. Start by roasting slices of eggplant until they're tender and slightly caramelized. Add some roasted zucchini for extra flavor and texture. Then, layer the roasted vegetables with a rich and savory lentil tomato sauce. This sauce is subtly spiced with cinnamon, adding a warm and comforting note, and a hint of nutmeg for a touch of cozy warmth. Top it all off with a generous layer of creamy bechamel. Or for a saltier, tangier twist, crumble some feta cheese over the top. Then bake until golden brown and bubbly. Both dishes are incredibly hearty, providing a satisfying and nourishing meal. And they're entirely plant-based, making them a great option for vegetarians and vegans alike. Most importantly, they're packed with flavor, proving that healthy eating can be incredibly delicious. Here's a budget tip. Buy lentils and grains in bulk. It's the most economical way to stock your pantry. They're cheap, incredibly versatile, lending themselves to countless recipes. And they last for weeks, if not months, when stored properly. Use them as the base for vibrant salads, simmer them into hearty stews, or bake them into comforting casseroles. Portion the salad into individual containers. This makes for easy grab-and-go lunches. No more excuses for skipping a healthy meal. In fact, it gets tastier as it sits, as the flavors meld and deepen over time. The moussaka reheats beautifully, making it an ideal make-ahead dish, making dinner a breeze on busy weeknights. Mediterranean food proves that simple ingredients, when combined with care and creativity, can be truly spectacular. With a little prep work, Monday's meals are completely sorted. Healthy for your body, affordable for your wallet, and undeniably delicious for your taste buds. Say goodbye to sad desk lunches, those uninspired meals that leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. And say no to expensive takeout, which can quickly drain your budget. This is how you build a smart pantry, stocked with versatile and affordable staples. And this is how you set yourself up for a week of great eating, without breaking the bank or spending hours in the kitchen each night. Prep once and eat well all week long. That's the magic of Mediterranean cuisine, a simple, healthy, and delicious transformation. Ready for Tuesday's culinary adventure? Let's keep traveling the world through our taste buds. Next stop, the vibrant and diverse flavors of Asia. Tuesday, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to Asia. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with vibrant flavors and healthy ingredients. We're diving headfirst into the heart of Asian cuisine, exploring dishes that are both delicious and incredibly easy to prepare. For lunch, we're having a refreshing cold soba noodle salad. This isn't just any salad. It's a symphony of textures and tastes that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. The star of the show is our homemade peanut lime dressing. This dressing is the perfect balance of savory, sweet, and tangy, and it elevates the entire salad to a whole new level. And for dinner, we're whipping up a quick and easy tofu and veggie stir-fry. This dish is packed with protein and nutrients, making it a healthy and delicious way to end the day. The beauty of soba noodles is that they cook incredibly fast. They're a fantastic option when you're short on time, but still want a nutritious meal. Simply boil them until tender, then rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process and keep them from sticking together. Once the noodles are ready, toss them with a medley of fresh vegetables, starting with crunchy carrots. Add some vibrant bell peppers for a pop of color and a boost of vitamin C. Don't forget the edamame for a dose of plant-based protein and some freshly chopped scallions for a mild oniony flavor. Now let's talk about that amazing peanut lime dressing. It's a harmonious blend of creamy peanut butter, which provides richness and depth, salty soy sauce, and zesty lime juice, creating a perfect balance of flavors. A touch of sweetness from honey, and the aromatic warmth of fresh ginger and garlic. The result is a dressing that's incredibly pourable and utterly addictive. You'll want to put it on everything. Moving on to dinner, the first step is to press and cube your tofu. Pressing removes excess water, allowing the tofu to get extra crispy when cooked. Next, pan-fry the tofu cubes in a little oil until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy on all sides. Once the tofu is cooked, set it aside and stir-fry your vegetables, starting with the broccoli. Add some crisp snap peas and savory mushrooms for even more flavor and texture. For the stir-fry sauce, we're using a base of soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar for a touch of acidity, a drizzle of sesame oil for nutty aroma, and a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Now add the crispy tofu back into the wok and toss everything together to coat it in the delicious sauce. And just like that, you're done. A flavorful and satisfying meal in minutes. Here's a budget tip. Tofu is a protein powerhouse that won't break the bank. It's incredibly cheap, surprisingly versatile, and it soaks up any flavor you throw at it, making it the perfect blank canvas for your culinary creations. To make your week even easier, prep the noodle salad ahead of time. But be sure to keep the dressing separate until you're ready to eat, to prevent the salad from getting soggy. The stir-fry can also be made ahead of time and reheated. Or, for an even quicker weeknight meal, prep all the ingredients as a kit and simply stir-fry them when you're ready to eat. Both of these dishes are incredibly colorful and visually appealing. And most importantly, they're incredibly satisfying. Plus, they're much faster and healthier than ordering takeout. Asian-inspired meals are a fantastic way to make healthy eating exciting and enjoyable. And as we've seen, they're also incredibly affordable. Feel free to use whatever veggies you have on hand. Flexibility is key to making these recipes work for you. These recipes are absolutely perfect for those busy days when you don't have a lot of time to cook. Simply prep, portion everything out, and enjoy delicious and healthy meals all week long. And just like that, Tuesday's meals are done and ready to go. Now that we've explored the vibrant flavors of Asia, let's keep the flavor journey going. Next up on our culinary world tour, the sun-soaked lands of Latin America. Are you ready for a midweek fiesta filled with bold spices and mouth-watering dishes? Let's go and explore the cuisine. Wednesday and a whole new set of flavors awaits. Get ready to spice things up. Wednesday, we're in Latin America. Lunch, black bean and corn salad. Dinner, sweet potato and black bean enchiladas. For lunch, mix canned black beans, corn, red onion, cilantro, and a lime vinaigrette. It's fresh, protein-packed, and perfect on its own or with greens. For dinner, roast sweet potatoes, mash with black beans, corn, and spices, then roll into corn tortillas. Top with enchilada sauce and cheese, then bake until bubbly. Budget tip: frozen veggies like corn are cheap, nutritious, and reduce waste. Prep the salad for grab-and-go lunches. Flavors improve as it sits. Assemble enchiladas ahead. Just bake when ready to eat. These meals are bold, comforting, and easy to make. Latin flavors bring excitement to your week. Meal prep means dinner is ready with minimal effort. Healthy, affordable, and delicious. What's not to love? Wednesday's meals are set. Let's spice things up for Thursday. Thursday, we're embarking on a culinary journey to South Asia. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the vibrant and aromatic flavors of this incredible region. We're diving headfirst into a world of spices and wholesome ingredients. For lunch, we're having a delightful curried chickpea salad. This isn't just any salad. It's a flavor explosion waiting to happen. And for dinner, a comforting and hearty red lentil dal, a classic dish that's both satisfying and nutritious. To start the salad, mash those chickpeas. This creates the perfect creamy base for all the other delicious ingredients. Next, add some crisp and refreshing celery. It provides a wonderful crunch and subtle flavor. Don't forget the red onion for a bit of a zesty bite. And for a touch of sweetness, add raisins or diced apple. The choice is yours. Bind it all together with yogurt or vegan mayo, depending on your preference. The star of the show? Curry powder. This is where the magic happens. A squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt to brighten and balance the flavors. Serve this delightful mixture in wraps, piled high in sandwiches, or simply spooned over a bed of fresh greens. Now for dinner, let's simmer those red lentils. Infuse them with the golden goodness of turmeric in a flavorful broth. The secret ingredient? A tarka. First, sizzle some cumin, then add mustard seeds, followed by garlic and chili, all sizzling in hot oil. Finally, pour this aromatic mixture over the dal. Serve this flavorful dal with brown rice. This creates a complete and satisfying meal that's good for your body and soul. Budget tip: invest in a few key spices, like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. To save money, buy spices in bulk, or check out international stores for even greater savings. Remember, spices transform simple ingredients. They elevate them into exciting global dishes. Prep that chickpea salad for easy and delicious lunches. And remember, dal only gets better with time. These meals are incredibly comforting, deeply nourishing, and surprisingly wallet-friendly. South Asian flavors are a fantastic way to make healthy eating exciting and enjoyable. And just like that, Thursday's meals are all prepped and ready to go. Just one more stop on our meal prep journey. Let's finish strong and make it count. Friday, here we come, we're almost there. Friday, we're inspired by Africa. Dinner hearty peanut stew with leftovers for lunch. Sauté onion, garlic, and ginger. Add sweet potatoes and bell peppers. Stir in peanut butter, broth, and tomatoes for a creamy, rich base. Add spices like cayenne and smoked paprika. Simmer until veggies are tender. Finish with greens like spinach or kale. Serve with millet, a nutritious, affordable grain. Budget tip: millet is a great alternative to rice or quinoa and easy to find in bulk. This stew is a one-pot wonder. Protein, carbs, and veggies in every bite. Make a big batch. It gets better as it sits. Portion for Friday dinner and Saturday lunch. No weekend cooking needed. This week proves global. Healthy eating can be simple and affordable. You've prepped a week of delicious meals and saved money. Celebrate your kitchen creativity. Your taste buds have traveled the world. Well done, Globetrotter. Before we wrap up, here are my top meal prep tips for lasting success. Embrace component prep. Cook grains, roast veggies, and prep proteins separately for mix and match meals. Invest in good containers. Glass or BPA-free plastic keeps food fresh and organized. Make meal prep fun. Play music, listen to a podcast, or invite a friend. Turn it into a weekly ritual you enjoy. Download the free PDF meal plan and shopping list in the description to get started. Swap veggies and proteins based on what's on sale or what you like. Use these recipes as inspiration. Make them your own. Consistency beats perfection. Even prepping 2 meals is a win. Start small, build the habit, and you'll be a meal prep pro. Healthy, ready-to-eat food reduces stress and saves money. Meal prep is self-care for your future self. You've got this. Stay creative and keep cooking. Let's finish strong. That's a wrap on our affordable global meal prep adventure, everyone. 5 days, 5 amazing cuisines, and a whole week of delicious, healthy food, all done. Eating well really doesn't have to be expensive or overly complicated. Try out these recipes, make them completely your own, and please share all of your favorites down below. Like, subscribe, and comment on what cuisine you would like to see next time. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you all in the next video. Eat very well.